Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to center your steering wheel. First, observe your steering wheel while driving straight to confirm it's off-center. Before starting, ensure your tire pressures are correct and consider if a full alignment is needed. Park your vehicle on a flat, level surface with the front wheels pointing as straight as possible. Now, let's adjust the tie rods. You'll find the tie rod ends on each side, connecting to the steering rack. Use a wrench to loosen the lock nuts on both the inner and outer tie rod ends. To center the wheel, turn both tie rods an equal amount, either in or out, depending on which way the wheel needs to shift. This process requires patience and small adjustments. Make quarter-turn changes to each tie rod, then temporarily tighten the lock nuts. Take your vehicle for a short test drive on a straight road to see if the steering wheel is now centered. If it's still off, return to the vehicle and make further small adjustments. After achieving a perfectly centered steering wheel, it's crucial to securely tighten all the tie rod lock nuts. Double-check their tightness to prevent any future movement. Take one final test drive to ensure everything feels right. For complete peace of mind and optimal handling, a professional wheel alignment is always recommended.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.